Ngayon, magluluto tayo ng pinaka-popular na breakfast sa atin, ang Longsilog. Hi, this is Chaperes of Regina's Kitchen. Longsilog is longanisa, sinangag at itlog. Kayo mga kumare, dyan na kayo. Maghantay kayo kung paano natin lulutuin yan. So, sit back and keep watching. Meron akong longganisa na hilaw, tinatawag nilang fresh. This is my own recipe and can be found in a grocery store in Florida, Pinellas Park, where I live. And I have also the smoked sausage that has been also in the market. This is fully cooked. You can put it in a microwave or just in the grill and it's ready to eat. So here is the ingredients. Meron tayong kanin na bahaw, 4 cups. 6 na cloves ng garlic na mince. Meron din tayong green onions, chopped in soy sauce. At isang itlog na pwede nating ilagay kasama ng ating sinangag. At ang seasoning natin. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang ating mantika. So, umpisahan na natin. Uumpisahan natin ang ating itlog na over easy ang gusto nila. So, ang iba, syempre, ang gusto nila, scrambled egg. But pwede rin naman. Unahin natin ang ating sinangag. Mas mabuti mauna ang sinangag natin. Ilagyan natin ng kaunting mantika para tayo makapagano ng bawang. Bawang. I'll just put everything to make it really good. Oh, it smells good. You are here, you can smell the garlic, the cayenne garlic. Another tablespoon. Oh, it smells so good. And just mix your egg. Make it humble. And let's go. Then season it. I have prepared salt and pepper and a little of garlic powder that you can put it on your sinangag while you're cooking it, and getting soy sauce. That smells good combination for the sinangag. But if you don't like this green onions on top or mixed with your sinangag, you don't have to worry about it. Just don't use it. Some people, they like it with something on top, more appetizing. And okay, so we're ready. Meron akong ditong longganisa. Nasa link siya. Ang pagluluto ng longganisa nasa link ay hindi ninyo kailangan putol-putulin o i-poke. Just leave it, you know, and we'll see. Let it boil. Kasi ang pagluluto ng longganisa ay very, pag pinok nyo na at tinanggal sa pagkatali, ang nangyayari lumalabas, nagiging dry ang ating longganisa. Ito ang aking homemade, nasa business na. It was approved by the USDA. Makikita ninyo ang kaibahan sa iba. For in a high heat, and then just let it keep on boiling on maybe 3 to 5 minutes, and let the water evaporate. Ito, napapansin niyo na nag-evaporate na ang tubig niya. At itong stage na ito na nawala na siyang tubig, lagyan natin ng kaunting mantika para kasama na ng pagbabrown. It stay juicy dahil ang kanyang mantika sa loob ng baboy ang siyang nagluluto ng longganisa natin. Di ba madali lang? Mag-brown lang at pwede na. Ngayon, gagawa tayo. Lulutuin naman natin ang itlog. Siyempre, di magiging tapsilog or lonsilog or tusilog pag walang itlog. May mga taong gusto lang ay dalawa. So, we'll make dalawa. Ganda niya. Sunny side up. But you can also make over easy. Just turn it off. And if you see that kind of all the bubbly and and the yolk is not cooked, that is sunny side up. But if you want, you can also have one that is is our over easy. Perfect. Then you can just put a little of that das. Ngayon, ready na ang ating lonsilog. May sinangag tayo at meron tayong longganisa, meron tayong sunny side up and over easy eggs. And let's go cut it. We'll find out and we will taste it. I hope you are here. Maamoy ninyo ang bango at matikman ninyo ang langgunisang ito. Nandito ang ating itlog, nandito ang ating sinangag. And let's go. Let's eat and we'll taste it. Napakasarap po. Gumawa na kayo ng inyong longsilog. Madaling gawin, madaling lutuin, not a time consuming. So, let's go.